gentle sound of the waves crashing against the shore. A serene melody weaves through the breeze, creating a soothing rhythm that mirrors the ocean's ebb and flow. Tranquil sense tape of this coastal escape. Let the music guide you into an untouched paradise, where stress dissolves like footprints in the sand.
People, so today I am taking you, it is the icon food again, and it can be snack also. So as you have read my title, so you would have know what I am going to explore today. So it is located in Navi Mumbai in Airoli, and the address is sector 20C and next to Chaudhary Bhojnalaya, in case if you don't know, and it opens at 5:30 and until their stuff will finish, so they serve. And this is the shop name is Gharacha Swadist Vada Pav. And like in the busy city, so every people prefer to very easy snacks, so while going to office they can eat and they can have it, and their stomach also can fill properly. So like other details, when I will reach there, then I will tell you what is the exactly the taste is. And again, it is a street food, and I have seen and I spoke with that person. They are Maharashtrian and they are very humble people, and like in past I have tried 2-3 times, and one thing I prefer to eat his vada pav because he doesn't use that soda, and you know, he doesn't use that other unnecessary things that will going to affect your stomach. And if he had put his name on his vendor, Gharacha Swadist Vada Pav, means the taste is exactly like home. So when I tried, so I liked it. So I thought, why not I should share these things with you guys. And that is amazing. I like. And he serves very hot, like when I will go there, then you will going to see, I'm saying right, and this is street food again, and it is on vendor, so it has very small setup. So guys, support this kind of food, and really people are really very amazing and very open heart to with their customer, how to speak with them. That is the great thing. So be in video continuously and watch until end. For me, I ordered this vada pav. As you can see, they have given me that crunchiness. This one, wait, let me show you. So let me fix my camera, then I will show you what they have given. So here is that corn, that crunchiness. Actually, usually, you know, I have seen in a lot of places, this crunchiness corn they don't give, but here they have given me this, And with vada pav, this taste, like that in between that, crunchiness comes. So that is the good vibe in food. That some crunchiness we get. So as you can see, I'm eating. So that crunchiness is there. It's crunchy, crispy, and good. And with me, that green chili. So wait. So here she has added that their special green chutney, that coconut chutney, and that red one. That is usually when you will see. So in Maharashtra, so usually this is famous, and they serve that red one. As you can see in my vada pav, you will get to see. So, and this is vada, and in front of me she has take out that potato balls, very hot, and right like I have taken in my hand, so it is quite hot. So here it goes my first bite. So so usually everyone's vada pav is same. That pav is there, and that red one and that coconut chutney. But in different places, that coconut chutney is something different. But in her that coconut chutney is really good, and it's spicy. And in that vada, so from this vada, lot of taste are coming from this vada ball. I can taste of that garlic, ginger, and because this is hot, so it's making that vada pav very delicious in a next level. Really, that this kind of vada pav I like to eat. And so this is summer here, so people will not like usually, but I can see a lot of crowd in there. Like wait, let me show you here. So people are still there. You have seen very small that very small that vendor is there, but still people are usually mad about this vada pav, and you will get to see in my video, like they serve kanda bhaji, batata vada pav, and vada pav, samosa pav, and that moong dal bhaji, and with this corn, because of this it made that whole dish very special, because you don't get usually to anywhere. So that is something good about this. And as they mention about in their shop, ki gharacha swad, means really they don't use any kind of sunflower, but whatever oil they use, that oil is really good quantity, good quality, and the taste is also good. And usually what happen in others, in that basin they use different kind of soda. So when we take one bite, so like other we can't eat properly because of that soda, that our stomach get full. But when you will come here, then you will get to see ki you had one vada pav, okay, then you wanted to eat only one vada pav, right? But when you will had this one vada pav, then later you will think, no, I just want to one more. That will make you, this is something different here. So if you are coming, must do visit to this shop. Actually they are Maharashtrian, and really very good people, and their hospitality is very good, and with how they speak with customers, like that matters when people connect from how you speak with them, how you treat them, right? And that lady is actually, she's very hardworking. As I can see, she's most hardworking person I have ever met. Like really, like while standing from 5:30, you don't know when it will going to end, and still she is continuously standing. So that is quite good actually, and she's very, like I am the only one person who was exploring her this shop. So she was very happy and she called her whole family. So I was like, I should record and do must visit to in Airoli, next to Chaudhary Bhojanalaya and Sector 20C, Gharacha Vada Pav, and eat this vada pav. Really delicious, not lying. And see guys, I'm not the fake person. So first I try whatever I am going to upload on my YouTube. First make sure what